how to crochet the little ears. For each ear, you're going to need two pieces, the inner ear and the outer ear. The inner and outer ear are crocheted the same way, but we're going to place them together and crochet around them to finish them off. So the inner ear piece I'm using here is pink. I'm going to show you how to crochet the outer ear. Remember, it's the same exact instructions. So start with your inner ear color, and then you're going to move on to your outer ear color for this. For these ear pieces, you're going to start off with 8 chains. So here's my slip knot to begin my chain. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then you're going to go into that second chain from your hook and slip stitch in that one, like so. Then you're going to slip stitch in each of the next 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After you do that, you're at the end of the chain, you should have 7 stitches on one side from the slip stitches. And we're going to work on the other side of the chain here, where we have 7 stitches as well. So working into the other side, I'm going to start off with a half double crochet. Then we're going to double crochet 2 times. So that's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. Then you're going to do 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, a single crochet, and a slip stitch in the last stitch. Finally, finish off with 1 chain. Now we're going to go ahead and work on the other side. So going into that other side of the chain, we're going to slip stitch, then single crochet, half double crochet twice. So that's 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets, then 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. Then I'm going to half double crochet in the last stitch, like so. And when you finish the inner ear piece using the inner ear color, you're going to fasten off, but do not fasten off for the outer ear. What you'll be doing now is to put the inner ear and the outer ear together, and we're going to crochet around the 2 pieces. So going here, I'm going to insert my hook into the first stitch here, and I want to make sure I go into the same stitch on the outer ear. Alright, here's that same area. And I'm going to single crochet together, like so. Then going into that next stitch, remember to go through both layers. So I'm working into the inner and outer layers, or inner and outer ears together. When you get to the tip, just make a chain as well, and then move on to the next stitch pairs. And this concludes the ear. As you can see, it's now double layered. Oops, sorry, some of that peeked through. It's now double layered, one side with the outer ear color and the other side with the inner ear color. It's a really nice way to add some detail to your piece without needing to change colors, really, because they're two separate pieces crocheted together. Now you'll just fasten off with a long tail for sewing this ear to the dragon's head later, and you're going to weave in these ends.